Ayan na, may paint na! Ah! Now it's time to buy some exhaust fans for the 2 bathrooms.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that.
Hi! Welcome back to another episode of the house renovation on a budget. I know it's been a while since the last time we posted the second episode, but it's because we wanted to make sure that we tackle all of the things per episode. So I went to the hospital today. I had an MRI for my brain with contrast and it really drained me a lot. I was supposed to go to the dentist, but you know what, I decided to just relax before a full day tomorrow. So Martin and our designer Kenneth will be the ones to check the side, see the improvements, you know, the updates. So yeah, without further ado, welcome to the 3rd episode of our house renovation on a budget series.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of me and Ave's home renovation vlog series here in the Philippines. Today we're gonna give you some exciting updates. We've had a lot of progress done on the house. Gotta start this vlog by introducing our designer. For those of you who haven't seen episode 1 and 2, this is Kenneth.
Hello. Hi everyone.
Kenneth is the one helping us design everything. He is very hands-on in this whole process. He designed 3D renders and models, and he really knows how to analyze the blueprints, show that to contractors so that they can do everything correctly. One of the biggest things we are going to see progress on today is the kitchen. Rebuilt an entire new kitchen next to our house. So there wasn't a kitchen inside before. It was an outdoor kitchen, which is kind of popular and common here in the Philippines. Well, you want it inside. So we're also buying some new concrete slabs, like real granite, not like the cheap tiles. We're really putting some nice finishing touches to this project. What do you think, Kenneth? Is this the one? Yeah.
What Martin says, putting a granite on top instead of tiles.
Yeah.
Yes, it will add
A nicer touch, yeah, I agree. So here you go, you guys go, look at this.
It looks like a real kitchen.
Right.
It looks like a real kitchen construct.
I agree. Most of the things we buy, since they are of size, we also need them to either have them delivered to our home or to also order installments, that they come and install the items for us. So Kenneth is filling out the application forms, and it usually takes 3 to 7 days before it to arrive at home. Yeah. Okay guys, we have arrived at the house.
Like a native concept.
Yeah, it will be good, I think.
Yeah.
The different lamps.
I think so.
I hope so. Okay. Guys, I'm very excited to look at the house today. They've done some exterior painting, as you can see. Beautiful. Wow, look at that change in color. It's now almost looks brand new. Beautiful. Slowly by slowly, we picked these up in Pangasinan, actually. There you go. Okay. Let's have a look. Look at that change from white to that color before. It's hard to see it sometimes, you know, unless you see it against something. Ooh, all the old tiles have been removed.
Yes, sir.
Very cool. And the ceiling, as you guys can see, it's almost complete with electricity, new downlights. Oh, and what we actually are most excited about is to have a look at the kitchen. I think we might have to see it from the outside. Wow. Oh my god, now there's even a roof. Very cool. And here you can see how they hide the electricity under the tiles. Here he comes.
Hello. Welcome home.
Yeah. Look, the kitchen. It's coming together. Fun to see. You know?
I'll just use the phone.
Okay, kitchen. We got a roof now. We're building the other countertop over there. It's a 50-50.
50?
Yeah, 50.
Like this. Just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Something
cool.
like that.
So the countertop that we saw earlier in this vlog is gonna go on top there, and on top there granite. You know, the fridge in the corner, a gas stove here / electrical. There's gonna be a door here and glass windows leading out to the backyard, which currently looks like a backyard. Yeah, construction site.
Here for the TV.
Very nice. So that's how they do it when they put outlets. They kind of dig into the wall.
Tap electrical.
And they put this, so we're getting a TV here upstairs. We're gonna actually make cabinets on this wall here.
TV.
It could work like that, I think.
I think our TV is like this big.
Yeah, so it will work actually.
Okay.
Cool, and then anything in here? No, not yet. Okay. Well, progress is being made. The Kuyas are watching episode 1 of the construction. It's fun to see yourself on the video. Guys, this is how they transfer the trash. It's a tricycle trash car. Alright, well that works. That will have to work. Thanks for today, Kenneth.
Thank you.
Boom. See you soon.
Ayan. Nahirapan sila, kuya. Bakit kayo nahirapan, kuya? Kasi may awang?
Mabigat
May
yan.
awang. Ah, mabigat. Ano bang wood to?
Ano yan? Mahugani yata to.
Mas malaki po yung pinto. Kung
Ah.
para sa entrada namin. Usually ganyan naman po talaga.
May, oo.
Nakakasang po talaga.
Ganda ng pinto, oh. We still haven't decided if we're gonna keep this like natural color and just put a varnish. So Kenneth messaged me to make it wet and see how it's gonna look like when we put some varnish. Okay naman, no? Sa tingin mo,
Yung iba pang kulay, okay lang ba sa inyo?
iba kulay, no? So ano sa tingin mo, kuya, mas okay pagka pinunturahan na lang?
Okay lang din ang pinturahan, pwede rin ang varnish. Kung varnish, dark talaga.
Oo.
Kasi kung natural tayo,
Oh, sige, sige. Pag-uusapan namin ni Kenneth. Ayan na, the stairs is starting to look like stairs. Oh, diba? We won't be putting any doors here because I wanted the space to look bigger. So, ayan, medyo open, not open kitchen. From the dining area to the kitchen, there won't be a door anymore. Para mas madali din, diba? Ayan na, may paint na! Ah! Ala, ayan na yung door din. Ang galing! Ayan, kaya siya, ganyan. Kasi meron siyang gonna put a drawer here. So, ayan, hindi siya magiging awkward. We're gonna place a cabinet here. They also just painted the walls, the accent walls. Ayan. Ah, so pretty! We bought this in Pangasinan. I don't know if you know, but yeah! Ayan na siya. Tapos, here is the bathroom reveal. May ilaw na to, kuya. Ay, ayan. Natin ang ilaw. Tanan! Yes! Gold!
Gold pala yung ano niya.
Yeah.
Oh, kita mo?
Ayan na
Wow,
yung
gold.
So, the tiles were installed really well. Ang ganda nung tiles. Oh. Ayan. Ito din, nila to, in-extend nila. They extended this one.
target mo namin Wednesday.
Ay, may isa lang
Ayan na.
Hindi po malaki po yan dyan.
This is the accent wall for the bedroom. Ayan na! So, I don't know if I showed this to you, but this side has like some rust. And now, sila Kuya Judy, they replaced it with a new one and it looks brand new again. You know, so this side, ayan na. Ito, napinturahan na, no, Kuya? Wow! They also repainted the outside. Everything outside has been repainted. Ayan. Actually, this is the thing. I didn't know that they're gonna cut the trees. If I only knew, I wouldn't have let them do that, but then can't do anything about it anymore. So that's that. I don't know if this is going to be replaced. I still forgot. I need to talk to Kenneth. But other than that, it's a nice, it's coming along, you know. I am so happy. Okay, so we have a slight problem in this sliding door because there is an awang and there's like a space. There's still a space here that we need to figure out how to cover that. Initially, we thought it's gonna be fine, but these are the problems that we will always find solutions. There's always a solution in every problem. We gotta keep moving forward. So with the pendant lights that we bought from Pangasinan, I'm not actually so sure how I feel about it. It's kind of like, yeah, it's nice, but kind of lacks the oomph feeling that I wanted, that I thought that I will get when I saw this light. So you know what? We learn. So, and this space is going to be an extra room. It's actually a living room, an entertainment area, working desk over here. We're thinking of putting a sofa bed here instead so that, you know, us Filipinos, when we gather, we're a lot of people. So it's just a nice place where people can also sleep in if you're in a big group or family. Still haven't installed the glass railings here, but we're gonna purchase that later on, and it says that it might take up to 2 weeks. The floors are almost done, and with this flooring, we're still not sure if we have enough budget to get like a PVC, use a PVC because that's going to be a little bit more expensive, or just retile it completely, just like once on the first floor. Yeah, and that is the update for the second floor. And this is the kitchen update. Can't go outside because they just placed the tiles. This is what it looks like now. We have a roof already installed, and they're gonna put the granite very soon. I think it's gonna be delivered today. I'm not so sure when it's going to be installed. But this is the open kitchen for now, and I'm so excited to cook here. And some people asked in the first video or second episode that where are we going to put the exhaust? Yes, we are going to put some exhaust. So for those of you who are watching this, I know you are excited. I know you wanna give some input, but I appreciate if you can respect our decision and our own design on our first tiny home. Ayan. And they also just removed the shelves here. We're gonna place new ones later on. Ayan na. This is the living area, living room. Still not sure what we're gonna paint, or we're gonna keep it white walls for now. Okay, now they are discussing with doors. There are 2 more doors to be installed. Ayan. So, lunchtime kami ni Mama. My favorite. I always order this, the house special set. Because it has spaghetti, chicken, and the tacos bread. The workers are currently on their lunch break, and we also have to go to a hardware store to buy some paints, like some other things, and go back there in like an hour or 2. By the way, I bought myself like some paint things. Ayan, hindi ako ng mga pang-painting. I don't know, I just feel like gusto kong mag-paint. I want to try something new. And I remember when I was a kid, I used to draw a lot and paint. And I haven't done this in a while. So, let's see.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until
Now it's time to buy some exhaust fans for the 2 bathrooms. Okay, the kuya said to buy the 8 inches exhaust fan for the bathroom. And these are the 2 choices, and preferably aesthetically pleasing is this one, which is a little bit more expensive. I think, yeah, 200 pesos more expensive than this one. And the kuya also said here at the hardware store that this one is more silent than this one, because I know this one can be a little annoying. Definitely I'm gonna get this one, but they have to check if they still have some stocks left. So hopefully meron pa. I think the best part about buying your own equipment or hardware or things for the home is to get to see it and understand what are the difference of like the brands or other fans like this than just like in photos. So, okay. I'm back. Hi, Kuya George! Hi, Kuya Marty! Ayan na ang pintuan! Check na kung kakasya.
Hindi po naging karalitan dyan kung parang may humingi ka sa ng tulong sa akin.
George, sabat ka dito. Kamay ha? Iba.
Tama.
Bye, old door. Yan, this is the old door. Kaso luma na siya, tsaka may mga mold siya. That's why we changed it to a new one in a fresher design. Okay, now I'm gonna check out the kitchen. We're gonna enclose this. We still have to buy the door. Can't really go inside because they just placed the tiles here. So yeah, just wanted to show you the update of this area. Hi, I'm back here in our condo. And I have so much stuff to do. I arrived yesterday from Hong Kong. I didn't really have the time to relax, and you know what I mean. So my first full day is also with the construction, and I also did some groceries. I usually am the one who does the groceries, cooking and the cleaning. I'm exhausted. I'm the type of person who doesn't really deal with stress that good, and today I get overwhelmed by things. To make the long story short, I am everywhere and I cannot focus, and I just lose the drive, you know, to keep on pushing. But I know I have to because it's for my future. But then again, what's the point of doing so much when you are sick? And that's what makes you see the things that you did from the past. The reason why, I don't know. But anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. I still need to clean the place. Martin is on his way home. Came from Siargao. I came yesterday from Hong Kong, and the house is a mess. We don't have someone clean it up. I'm gonna do that before he gets home, though that, you know, it's nice to come home to a nice place, like just even for a bit. And yeah, and I also need to cook some dinner. That is the update, and I really enjoyed seeing the progress of our tiny home. I was able to buy new things also, which I'm very excited about. I always tell myself to try out new things every year, whether it's like an old flame love affair of painting, of like buying thrifted clothes, or just like, you know, things that makes me happy, that kind of distracts me away from my work, or that doesn't really align with my work, if you know, if that makes sense. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, bestie. I know it's overwhelming for you as well, and I'm all over the place, but thank you for always being there. And just, it's nice to talk to someone about your feelings, right, and your frustrations, because it feels good to let it out and to know that you are aware of these things, and it's just nice. So thank you, and I really appreciate for you that for not judging me and supporting me in every way. I love you. I will see you on the next vlog. Bye. I love you. Mwah.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best.